Video security industry is slowly shifting from analog to digital system. The NK700 from Vectron is a 16-channel standalone NVR offering many great features. Just to give you some ideas on what NK700 can offer. It supports 1080p on both playback and recording. It is able to play back 4-channel on 1080p resolution simultaneously, whereas many 16-channel NVRs in the market may only play back 1 channel on 1080p at a time. Another great feature that NK700 offers is called IP Config Wizard. At a touch of a button, the NK700 will start searching for IP cameras and auto-assign IP address to each camera. How simple is that? The Vectron CMS supports all the Vectron products, including IP cameras, NVRs, analog DVRs, speedomes, as well as 3G management system, as well as 3G fleet management systems. Moreover, the NK700 supports up to 4 3TB hard drives, which is rare in a good way. A disk array enclosure can be connected through eSATA in the back for additional external storage space. Let's take a look at the form factor. From left to right, here we have a USB slot for backing up data and updating firmware. Over here, we have a lockable hard drive removable tray for easy access to the hard drive during installation or removing the hard drive. This will save you a lot of time during installation. Over here, we have the LED indicators, power, light, record, and network. Over here, we have 16 display, a lockable removable hard drive tray that gives you easy access during installation or removing the hard drive. This will save you a lot of time during installation without removing the top cover of the NK700. The power LED light records and network LED lights that tells the user whether the unit is working properly. Over here we have a IR receiver. It is for the remote control that comes within the package. 16 individual channel buttons give you easy access to individual channels. Over here we have quick buttons for record, live, playback, sequence, next, and screen. Here's a power button to start up. Over here we have the split screens, quad, 9 split, and 16 split. Arrow keys and enter key when you get into the UI. Here's the jog shuttle that gives you easy access for fast forward and reverse during playback. Over here we have the playback keys, fast forward, reverse, play and pause, and stop. On the back panel, left to right, we have alarm in, alarm out, RS-232 for speedome, VGA, video out, audio in and audio out. We have 2 HDMI, 2 LANs, eSATA, USB, power, and 2 fans to cool down the system. On the eSATA, it is designed for adding external disk array if you need more additional hard drive storage space. Now let's begin a presentation of operating on a NK700. Right-click on the mouse to bring up the main menu located on the top right and bottom left. Right-click again to remove the main menu off the screen. There's a choice of single, quad, 9 split, and 16 split. On single, quad, and 9 split, if you move the cursor to the side, left and right, it brings up the yellow arrow. Click on that to go to the next channel. Right click to remove the main menu off the screen. On the 16 split screen, you are allowed to switch the channels around. For example, channel 1 and 5, you may switch or swap their location. Quick adjust viewing channel layout. Simply press and hold left button to bring up the big green screen. Then choose 4 channels. 1, 2. Then it brings up the 4 channels that you selected. It is easier for the user to view the selected channels. To get out of there, right click to go back to the main menu. NK700 allows you to zoom in and out on a single channel display. To get out of here, right click. NK700 allows you to change the IP address of a camera. For example, double click, it brings up the IP camera's IP address, the name, and port. You can simply change it here. This allows you to play with the speed dome. To get out of here, double right click to go back to the main menu. One of the great features that NK700 offered is called Auto IP Address Assign. Right click in the screen to bring up the main menu. Go to Setup, Camera, Search. To begin search, the NK700 will find all the cameras available in the network. Find 48 cameras. Stop searching. Here you can change the IP address of the cameras. Then pick the cameras that you wish to view. Total of 16 cameras. Now we have selected 16 cameras total. After so, Click Apply. It will take about 20 seconds to connect all the cameras. To set up motion, click on Setup, Camera, Motion, and Enable. Here's a sensitivity level. You may set up motion individually or apply it to all channels. Then choose the area. When done, click on Save.